Hello, my beautiful skulls. Yes, it's me, Kika Studio. I am back again. It's so nice to be here. It's so nice to. I'm so nervous. I'm feeling like I'm doing this for the first time because I had a big, huge break. A lot of things changed. I got a lot of questions from you. Why I stopped doing illusions, why I'm not on YouTube anymore. Guys, I'm here. I will never, never, never leave YouTube. This is the new chapter and I will bring you something different. I accepted your suggestion and my video will be longer than 3 minutes. Kika's on the YouTube, Kika is on the YouTube, Kika's on the YouTube again. What a stupid song. Today on my menu is Jessica Rabbit. So let's start. Just taking off my makeup, my eyebrow. Goodbye, eyebrow. And I will do makeup just on one side of my face. I always wanted to be Jessica Rabbit, you know. I think every woman wants to be Jessica Rabbit. Now I am applying mastics to cover my eyebrows. I don't have glue for this, so mastics is cool too. I need to cover them very good because this part needs to be new eyelid. I forgot to mention that this will not be totally Jessica Rabbit. This will be inspired by Jessica Rabbit. This will be Jebote. This look will be inspired by Jessica Rabbit. Using TV paint stick from Creoline to fill my eyebrows, and I will repeat this process 3 times. Before I apply foundation all over my face, I will add the primer. Okay, let's continue with foundation. This is faster way. We all do this. Okay, eyelashes I will apply at the end. I will set my eyebrows with translucent powder. With my face liner, I will create new eyelid. As a regular makeup, I'm adding P. Louise base. Going with Morphe eyeshadow, and I will use this and this eyeshadow color. First I'm going with darker eyeshadow on the edges to create some depth. Now I'm going with lighter and I will blend them together. I will leave this part to add white eyeshadow base. To outline this new eyelid, I will use Inglot eyeliner, create a long eyeliner. Nah, I need bigger. A little bit down to change the shape of my eye. Adding white Inglot eyeliner. The same eyeliner I am adding in the middle of my eyelid. I will definitely use this Kara Beauty palette for eyebrows, and I will use it to create some depth around my eyelid. Let's bronze this face, and of course blush. Very important. Contour my nose a little bit. Hair will be on this side, so I don't need to do too much. The most important thing is you need to contour everything from the perspective you will shoot. So my face and head will be like this, and that's why I'm contouring my nose like this. In this position. For my eyebrow, I will use regular eyebrow pencil and create curved line. Nice. adding some highlights. I need to change the shape of my lips. Hot red lipstick. It's time for sleep. I'm using water-based FX Diamond body paint, and this color is very similar to my eyeshadow, so I think this one is great. My arm will stand like this, so I will create sleeve here. While my purple paint is still wet, I will add white in the middle to make highlights. To look like this part is crumpled, I will add white lines. About this lower part, well, we need to follow our YouTube guidelines, so at the end I will just show you a picture. For my dress, I will mix orange and red. Adding my face liner to create shadow from the dress. Using my white pencil to create highlights. Black eyeshadow to create 3D. With the black paint, I will have tiny waist. Eyelashes. Okay. And wig. I need to place my hair like this before I make some pictures for you. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share. I hope you enjoy my video. Let's make some pictures. Let's make some pictures tonight. What the f is this? Now it's gone.